Hello everyone, I hope everyone is safe, sitting at home, chilling, relaxing, and all. Good. So welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this glamorous mocha makeup look and I'm so obsessed with how it turned out. I didn't really thought that it would look this good, just the way I wanted, sleek straight hair and glam look and all. So without further ado, let's get started. Now that my face is nicely moisturized, I will start by priming my face with this primer by Inside Cosmetics. This is a pretty affordable silicone based primer which effectively blurs the pores and smoothen out skin, but what I noticed is that I had to apply a lot of this primer to work on my skin. I think this would not work for those with big pores. Yes, I think this can be a great dupe for Color Bar Perfect Match Primer as the formula consistency is almost same. Next, I'm applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Desert Beige. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. It is medium coverage but buildable and blends smoothly, does not feel heavy on face. So yeah, if you are my skin tone, Desert Beige is the shade for you. I'm trying to blend this foundation as much as I can so that I get a skin-like finish and it doesn't get cakey. I'm not a full coverage lover as I think it gives me a made-up look, so yeah. So tell me guys, what finish do you like, if you are a full coverage girl or like a medium coverage and more of a skin-like finish? Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in medium to hide my dark circles and spots. I'm blending it with a damp beauty blender. It blends so smoothly, you can even blend it with your fingers and it is not at all heavy. I just love this. And before this I was using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and that's a cult favorite of everyone, I guess. I recently finished that one and I'm gonna order it as soon as the situation gets over. What y'all doing nowadays? Like, I don't have time at all. Everybody's home and maid is also not coming, so cooking, cleaning, and kids make sure to keep me on toes whole day. Like, I want to know what you guys are doing. Okay, so now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in light to set my concealer and the rest of my face. I'll bake my under eyes with this powder and apply it with the help of the beauty blender, and with whatever is remaining I'll set the rest of the area where I applied concealer. I don't bake my under eyes for a long time as it becomes dry, so I'll just dust off the powder with the help of this pack brush and I'll just loosely dust off the powder everywhere on my face. Next, I'm using this Hoola bronzer to contour my face, basically to give some dimension so that my face doesn't look flat. So I'll apply this on the hollow of my cheekbones, on my forehead, along the jawline. At first, I'm going very light-handed because I don't really want to mess up with the look and then it would be very difficult to fix it. Next, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm not really crazy about nose contouring, maybe because I'm not really a pro in it, but okay. Now that we're done with the contouring, let's get a quick flush of color with Maybelline Master Flush Blush in Next to Nude. I'll take it on a blush brush and starting with the apple of my cheeks and swiping it upwards like this. This is the blush that I reach out the most. It is not a matte blush. It has a very tiny shimmer particles that are not really overwhelming but gives a natural look. Now the base is done and I'll set everything up with this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Spritz it all over my face and with the help of a beauty blender, I'll press it onto my face so that it makes my makeup last long. Next, I'm doing brows with the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Taupe Tom. My brows are pretty dense naturally, so I'm just filling up the sparse area. I really like this pencil. It is a retractable pencil. You don't need to sharp this and it is a perfect color for Indian skin tone. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this beautiful palette by Rude Cosmetics. Let me show you the swatch first. I'm swatching these three shades. Just look at it. It's so pigmented, so beautiful. I'm taking this light orangey brown shade as a transition color, and I'll start with the outer corner and blend in a circular motion, and then take it inwards in a windshield wiper motion, just going back and forth. Not taking too much color in one go, I'm adding the color slowly, following exact same step on my other eye. Taking the same color and apply it on my lower lash line. If you have noticed, I've pressed the brush hair to make it less fluffy. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade and first pack it on the outer corner and then blend it, taking it inwards to intensify my crease. For this, I'm using another brush which is less denser than the previous one. Such brushes are used to apply and blend eyeshadows on a specific area. So now I'm taking the same color on my lower lash line. It goes like this. Whatever you apply on your lid, it goes onto your lower lash line. Now I'm taking this black color on a flat angled brush and applying it as an eyeliner, making a wing on the outer corner. Now I'm smudging this color just on the outer corner. This will help me intensify my eye look. Now with the help of same angular brush, I'm applying this black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. This would give a really nice smoky effect to the eyes. You'll see what I'm saying once this eye look is complete. Now I'm taking this beautiful champagne gold shimmer eyeshadow and applying it on my eyelids with the help of my finger. I'm using this smudger that comes with almost all the eyeshadow palettes to just set the shimmer so that it doesn't spread all over my eyes. Now I'm using that same fluffy brush to blend all the edges so that all colors look blended and smooth. Now I'm using a small pencil brush to blend the shimmer onto the color that is on outer crease so that it looks a smooth transition from shimmer shade to matte color. Now I'm going to coat my upper eyelashes with NYX's Worthy Hype mascara. I'm not going to work much on these because I'm anyways going to wear falsies. I'm going to tightline my lower waterline with Maybelline Colossal Kajal in Super Black. It's really good, affordable, doesn't smudge and stays for long. I'm using this golden shimmer on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I always try to give a gap when I apply mascara because if I apply mascara back to back on upper and lower lashes, it starts sticking together. For lashes, I'm using Pack Mink Lashes in M72. I'm using this white shimmer shade to highlight my brow bone. I really loved how it turned out, really complemented the whole eye look. I used this golden shade to highlight inner corner of my eyes and I was so impressed with this white shade, so I decided to apply this as a highlighter and I loved how it looked, made the whole look so glamorous, exactly what I wanted. For lipstick, I'm using the NYKA Creamy Matte lipstick in Your Latte. And this lip shade actually complemented the whole makeup look so well. So this is the whole look, you guys. I've straightened my hair to give it a glam, sleek look. I had this thing in mind to create a warm smoky eye look, not the regular brown one, but a nice glamorous smoky eye look. Oh, and yes, I wanted to show this beautiful earring that I purchased from everstylish.com. They have a very nice collection of affordable jewelry. I've ordered 4 earrings. If you want, I can do a video on that. Please let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a video on the Everstylish haul. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.